Why is nobody focusing on how do we get people healthy? Because that's how you solve the healthcare cost problem. The, I think the thing that shocked me most was how bad the agency was, how, just how inefficient, how nobody seemed to care that people were getting sicker and sicker. Nobody was taking accountability of the fact we're the health agency, and yet we have the worst and we're the richest health agency in the world. I think HHS is the sixth biggest country in the world. If you look at it, it's got the biggest budget in the federal government, bigger than the defense budget, and yet we are absolutely miserable at what we did. I mean, we're literally presiding over this cliff where every American is where people are just 77% of American kids can't qualify for military service. Today, 38% of teens are diabetic or pre-diabetic. So 1 out of every 3 kids who walks through this office door. Why isn't anybody noticing this? The autism rates have gone from 1 in 10,000 in 1970, and people knew what autism was. Today, it's 1 in 31. In California, it's 1 in 19, and 1 in 12.5 boys.
That's crazy.
We are,
That's so crazy. 1 in 12.5 boys is crazy.
Why is nobody focusing on how do we get people healthy? Because that's how you solve the healthcare cost problem. Right now, 40 cents out of every dollar that you spend in federal taxes is going to healthcare, and about 90% of that is chronic disease. So, it's clear. They're being made sick. The obesity rates have gone from 5% in kids when I was a kid to now close to 20%. And in adults, 70% of adults are obese or overweight. That was not true when we were kids.